Stop spending money on expensive home scents. Make them yourself, naturally, and for just a few cents. Get a large bowl and prepare a cup of baking soda. Baking soda has cleansing and odor-neutralizing properties, making it the perfect ingredient. The next ingredient is cornstarch, which helps maintain the right consistency. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients combine. Then take some food coloring, apply a small amount to the tip of a teaspoon, and add it to the mixture. The next step is to gradually add water until you get a firm consistency. Finally, add your favorite essential oil, such as lavender, which has relaxing properties. Mix everything well. Now, prepare a silicone mold and fill it with the prepared mixture. Let the tray sit for a while so the mixture can dry and harden. After that, remove the finished scent cubes. You can place them on a shelf in the room where they will gently fill the space with a pleasant scent, creating a nice atmosphere. In the bathroom, the scented cubes will effectively neutralize moisture and unpleasant odors, providing freshness for a long time. You can also place them in places where you store clothes to give them a subtle, pleasant scent that will last on the fabrics for longer. One cube, so many possibilities. Pour hot wax over oregano. It will bring many benefits into your life. Prepare a pan and place 3 regular white candles in it, preferably unscented and without dyes. Then wait until they completely melt. Once the wax has melted, remove the wicks. Pour the liquid wax into a glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of oregano, which naturally freshens the air and gives a herbal aroma, creating natural home fragrances. Add a pinch of cinnamon to introduce a warm and cozy scent. Finally, add a few cloves, which make the composition deeper and more relaxing. Take the wick, wrap its top around a stick, and place it in the center of the container with the wax. Set everything aside until it completely hardens. When the wax becomes solid, remove the stick, trim the wick, and the candle is ready to use. This way you can see how easy it is to make a scented candle at home. After lighting it, the interior fills with a warm and soothing aroma. It creates a relaxing scent for the bedroom, perfect for rest and unwinding. You do not need to spend a fortune on expensive scented candles. This simple homemade version creates a pleasant atmosphere and makes the space feel cozier. Even the neighbors will smell the fragrance from your home. Don't buy wax melts and candles filled with paraffin and chemicals. Replace them with this. Pour coffee into a ceramic oil burner, add a few cloves, and sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon. Drizzle in a small amount of olive oil. Light a tea light candle and place it inside the burner. After a moment, the aromas will begin to release. Then add a little water and a few slices of orange. As it warms, the scent becomes even more cozy and soothing. It's a natural way to create a beautiful fragrance in your home without artificial additives. A pot like this is a must for Christmas. Let me show you how to make it. Place a pot on the stove and fill it with water to about 3/4 full. Then add a cup of cranberries to give it freshness and a hint of fruity aroma. Slice some oranges and drop them in. Their citrus scent brings the joy and warmth of the holidays. Add a small branch of fir or spruce. Just one is enough to fill your home with a subtle forest scent, like after a winter walk. Toss in 2 cinnamon sticks. Their sweet aroma instantly reminds you of gingerbread and festive baking. Next, add a spoonful of allspice and 2 spoons of cloves for depth and a truly spicy holiday vibe. Finally, add 2-star anise for a touch of magic and elegance. Let it simmer on low heat, allowing the aromas to slowly rise and fill every corner of your home. And if you want the scent to last longer, pour the mixture into small glass jars and place them around your house, in the living room, kitchen, or even the bathroom. No candles or air fresheners needed. This Christmas simmer pot will make your home smell like true holiday magic. Attach a wooden clothespin to your radiator. It's one of the simplest ways to make your home smell fresh. All you need is an ordinary wooden clothespin. Natural wood absorbs scents well and releases them gradually. Take the clothespin and add a few drops of essential oil. The choice of scent is up to you. Gently rotate it and wait a moment for the aroma to soak into the wood. You can also lightly spray the clothespin with an air freshener, slightly moistening the surface. Leave it for a moment so the scent can absorb properly. You can also use your favorite perfume. One light spritz is enough for the wood to absorb the fragrance and release it slowly. Let the clothespin sit briefly so the aroma can set. Once it's ready, clip it onto the radiator. You can use several at once to enhance the effect. Then, turn on the heat. The warmth will gradually spread the fragrance throughout the room. This keeps the space smelling fresh for a long time. It's a simple and inexpensive way to keep your home pleasantly scented all day. Sprinkle cloves onto a toilet paper roll. This trick solved so many problems for me. Grab a bowl and place a regular toilet paper roll inside. Pour warm water over it so the paper soaks through and becomes soft. After a moment, remove the cardboard tube from the center. Now squeeze out the excess water. The paper should be only slightly damp. Tear it into smaller pieces and fill a container with them. The pieces can be different sizes. Now prepare the cloves. They have a strong, spicy scent that lingers in the air for a long time. Add 1 spoonful of cloves to a grinder and blend them into a fine powder to make the scent even stronger. Take another bowl and pour in about 200 milliliters of warm water. Add the ground cloves. Stir in half a spoonful of cinnamon to boost the mix and make the aroma even more intense and long-lasting. Finally, add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Let it sit for about 20 minutes so the ingredients blend together. After that, pour the mixture over the paper in the container. Cover it with aluminum foil and poke small holes in it so the aroma can slowly release. And that's it. Your natural air freshener is ready. Place it in the living room or any room, and the scent will spread quickly. You can also set it near a window or a balcony door. The smell creates a pleasant barrier and can help reduce mosquitoes, moths, ants, and other insects. A simple way to keep bugs out of your home, no chemicals and no effort. Place a laundry capsule on a sheet of toilet paper and pour hot water over it. When the paper starts to soften, remove the cardboard roll with tongs. Press the paper down to reduce its volume, then crumble it with your fingers. Transfer some of the paper to a bowl and pour your favorite fabric softener over it. Its ingredients keep a fresh scent for a long time. Add scent beads and a little mouthwash, known for its antibacterial properties. Finish by adding dish soap. Prepare a second bowl and transfer the remaining paper into it. Sprinkle coffee over it, which absorbs unpleasant odors. Then add whole black peppercorns, which naturally repel insects. Place the mixture with dish soap on the toilet tank. It will make the bathroom smell fresh within minutes and replace artificial chemical fresheners. Put the second bowl on the balcony or by the door. This way, no insects will enter your home, as the strong scent of the mixture will keep them away.